In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect example photos in Weavy AI. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable workflow where a text prompt and a reference image work together to guide an image generator so you can produce results that match your vision more closely. Start by opening the Weavy AI app in your browser. You'll land in your workspace, which is organized around files and visual flows. Think of a file as a project folder that keeps your experiments tidy. If you're starting fresh, create a new file and give it a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. If you've already been working on something similar, open that existing file so you can build on it. Next, add a prompt node to your workflow. Weavy uses a visual canvas with nodes and connections, so adding a prompt is like placing a building block that tells the model what to create. Click to add the prompt block, then select it so you can type into it. Now write your prompt. Be specific about the subject and the mood or style you want. For example, describe the scene, lighting, and any important details that must appear. Short, clear phrases usually work better than long paragraphs. You can always refine the wording once you see the first results. With your prompt in place, add an image generator model to the workflow. You'll see options like Nano Banana 2 and Flux 2 Pro. Choose the one that best fits your needs today. You can switch later if you want different characteristics. The model is the engine that takes your inputs and produces the output image. Import a photo you want to use as a reference. This example image helps steer the result toward a particular composition, texture, or subject. Pick something clear and relevant to your prompt. Once the photo is in your workspace, connect both the prompt and the photo to the model. You should see lines or arrows flowing into the model node, confirming that both inputs will be used. If you see settings for how strongly the photo influences the output, keep the defaults for your first run so you can establish a baseline. Finally, click Run Model. Weavy will process your inputs and generate an image. Give it a moment, then review the result on the canvas. If it's close but not perfect, adjust your prompt wording for clarity, try a slightly different example photo, or switch to the other model for a different aesthetic. Run it again to compare. That's it. Your reference photo and prompt are now working together to guide the model in Weavy AI.